Hi guys, today we are going to test a dedicated server using a YABS, and I will post the results. Let's first log into the dedicated server using the Bitwise software. Just click on it, put the IP here and log in, accept and save. Okay, username, oh no, it shouldn't be this one. You can't change it here, cancel. So should we put it here, user, and let's see now. Okay, it's user now. We are using Debian 11, so it will not log in with root unless we allow it. So it will log in with user. Okay, done. Now we'll click on the terminal window. Okay, we are inside the dedicated server. So in order to test the specification of the server, let's see the script. Okay, this is the YABS script, yet another benchmark script. We just copy it from here and go to our dedicated server terminal window and paste it. Oh my god, it doesn't have code. So we'll just copy wget. Every server has that. Okay, here are the results. Okay, Intel Xeon CPU 325. It has, oh look, it says created in Los Angeles. Okay, and the test is performing some other benchmarks. Read write and it will give the results shortly. So it's Debian 11, I told you, and I think we should wait for it. Okay, here are the tests. So you get the specifications of the server and the read write tests. So these are normal for an SSD. We have an SSD drive here. These are about 1000 for NVMe and around less than 100 for normal HDDs. So it's fine, it's pretty fine. The read and write speeds are fine. And let's see the network speed. Okay, we are on a 1 Gbps port, so send receive around 900 is good, and the server is located in Los Angeles. We can see here, so it should get good results in the USA. Okay, London, Paris, not bad. Send speed is good. Receiving is on lower side, but the ping is good. I see the disk is, it's around of 1 TB disk and 32 GB RAM. Okay, so the server is on higher side. Besides the processor, the specs are good, and it has been live recently. Oh look, Netherlands getting good speed here. Not bad for an Asian country, Kazakhstan. Oh, so here we go. New York, located very close to Los Angeles, so it's almost 1 Gbps as we are on a 1 Gbps port, so you're getting full speed here with 2 ms. So connections is fast for the US customers, of course. Same goes for the Dallas, a little bit slowness on the receiving end, but fair enough. I see the script is using Cloudwider data centers for the testing of networks. Oh, it's Los Angeles. Receiving 70. This is not correct. I don't think this is correct because the server is located in Los Angeles and it can't be 70. This one has some glitch on the provider side. It cannot be 70. So you can't 100% rely on the scripts also because it depends on your server and the server you're pinging, the routes they are adopting. So it's not always perfect, but it gives you a whole general idea of the server. Okay, now the test has been completed and here are the results.